back down.
Fish. Ooh, look how big it is.
You got a fishy on there?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. What do you think?
That's a pretty little fish. Uh-oh.
Little bluegill. Grab it. What do you think, bud? Touch it. So, it's okay. So we'll get him back in the water. We'll catch another one. Look at that, buddy. Look at that. Look at Odie move.
I'm gonna reel it back up. Okay. I'm not even sure that we got
That's it. Try that there. Something pulling on it?
No, just him.
Okay, yeah, maybe reel it back up.
Daddy has no gun. John Michael, what's Daddy doing? Is he fishing? Good job. Eating muffins?
Ball.
There's a ball out there. Attached to our fishing.
Ball.
Ball? That ball is moving, isn't it? Oh gosh, Rosa.
No, Rosa, no, drop it, drop it.
No, Odie, Odie, get back here. What'd you catch, Daddy?
I got a little bass. Look at that thing.
Whoa!
Look at that thing.
Look at that.
What is that, bud? Is that fish?
What is that? Wow.
Oh, stop that.
Wow.
Look at that monster.
Wow.
That monster.
Wow. Ah! What do you think?
See it? Watch out, Odin. Move, Odin. Move. Fish, yeah. Fish, what do you think? Yeah.
What's in your bucket? Is that a real life fish? Wow. Fish? What is that? Don't touch it. What is that, John Michael? Fish. You got your fish shirt on. John Michael, what is that? Are you trying to get the ball? Oh, let's let the ball stay. No, bud. Oh, good job. No. Fish. Fish.
Ball.
I was very, even slower than that. That's what I was doing.
Well, I was trying to catch up with it because his net caught on that and pulled it in.
Ooh, Mama got it too.
No fish, or no dogs.
No. Hey, move.
Not a small one.
I mean, it's not huge. It's kind of like the size I caught first time.
We'll get any meat off of it.
I would throw it back. That's just me. We got.
Oh, something was getting us. Just the ground, probably. Probably dragging the ground, but.
You gotta remember this.
You want help or not? No.
We got another one. Another one. John Michael's inside sleeping though, but we're still catching him.
turns out that Dad, not being a fisherman, also does not know how to cut a fish. So we kind of butchered the largest one of the bunch, which was our bass. And I'm trying to redeem it by putting it in the smoker, and we'll see what happens. We've got a little bit of oil, lemons, honey, salt, and garlic powder, and it's going in the electric smoker, which is heating up to, I believe I set it to 215 degrees with some apple wood. For the bluegill, we've got a bit of a cornmeal dredge, and I added a few spices and we're just frying it up, bones in and all, and we'll see how it goes. Here it is all cooked. I've got a couple pieces of sourdough toast, the dubiously fried fish that the Crispies at least look good. It's still bone in. We've got an Arnold Palmer Grandma's applesauce, and since we can't have tartar sauce, it's fasting, I made this bean-based tartar sauce, if you will, but also with sweet relish, so not tartar sauce at all, and it just might as well be baked beans or sweet relish, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see what the boys are up to. Hello, dogs. Hello, boys. Tell me what you think about it.
Just batter. It's probably gonna be the best piece.
I know, I did a bunch of extra batter because I was like, this is the only thing gonna redeem it.
Have you tried it?
No.
Batter's good. Oh my gosh.
I pulled a couple of them out.
Well, there's a couple hundred in. And there's the spine. You didn't get the spine out?
No. That's how you pull the ribs out. You heard it here, people. It's not bad.
It ain't good.
Well, then give it to me.
I'm kidding, no. It won't focus that close. Bread's amazing.
We living off the land.
Living on the land.
Still.
Look at all these bones.
Look at that.
Don't get too close. It won't focus.
You know how much of that somebody would eat?
Dogs will love it.
That's true. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I want milk. It's hot and humid out here, and I've got some camp bread going. It's just flour, water, yeast, and some sugar and salt. And I put it out here to rise maybe an hour and a half ago maybe. It looks like it's getting a pretty good rise. I'm just going to punch it down and let it rise again. It's been raining quite a bit here this afternoon after we came in from fishing, and it looks like my timer is just going off. It's been about almost exactly an hour 15 that our fish has been in here, so I figured we'd just check on it. Probably needs more time, but we'll see how it's doing, make sure it doesn't get too dry. Turn it up. So I paused it because, as you can tell there, the heat kind of fogged up our GoPro. It's looking pretty good. Probably needs a little bit more, a few more chips in there, and maybe just a little more time just to really make sure that it is done. But looks plenty moist, so we're just going to close that, keep the heat in there, and add a few smoker chips. We've got some applewood chips. I'm just gonna slide them in, turn it over. This piece that's not supposed to pull out, but it does, and we're just gonna let it go. Michael. Now you're sneaking up on Grandma. Now you're sneaking up on Grandma. He likes to help cook.
Oh, he does, yes.
You help?
Salad dressing.
You help? What are you doing? Whoa! Oh no! Boo! Oh no! Uh-oh, he's running away. Is he taking a nap? He's taking a nap.
Oh, that fell.
You see the ducks down there? All the pretty flowers and the ivy.
Hey, Jubal. But then also...
I'm not picky, just whatever. I just really love that Caesar dressing. Ah, okay, yeah, I made some more, so. Oh, you're great. Just unsauced.
No, no. No, no. No, no.
I just have layers here.
Num, 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 num.
No, no,
Num, num, num.
no, no.